We are here at day 3 of SEMA. We're at the COLAD booth. We're here with Garcia. Carl, tell me how you're doing today.
We're doing great. It's been a great show. We're having a lot of fun showing off our new products.
Tell me about your new products. What do you got showing here?
So we have the new resistancy bottle that we're going to be releasing early 2023. It's a pump spray bottle that's basically bulletproof to anything. And then Old Faithful, we've really have been developing our UV products. If you've got a small repair, we've got the most interesting UV putties. And then we have My Baby, which is transparent UV putty. It's truly UV putty without color. It's transparent, so if you got a little scratch, a chip, and you just want to dab a little bit of UV putty in it, wet sand it, and keep going, it's going to be a lifesaver to the body shops.
That's awesome. Wow. So tell me the thought process behind that. Why did you want to introduce something like that to the market?
Because growing up in an auto body shop, I know what a nightmare it is when you got a little bit of a scratch on a panel that, you know, if you clear coat over it and you don't do anything about it, it blows up and it looks terrible. If you fix it, the customer is not going to reward you or realize what you did, and it means that you're probably going to have to do one more paint panel, and it costs a lot of money. So it was really a problem solver for the auto body industry is what we were trying to do.
Absolutely. So tell me, the energy here at SEMA is great. We've seen a lot of people on the show floor, very busy today and yesterday. So how has it been at the booth here?
It's been great. It's been great. We've been doing demos for the last 3 days, having a lot of fun, interacting with the people at SEMA, and that's why we come here, just to meet people, have a great time, and interact and show people our products.
Tell me about your history with SEMA. How long has COLAD been attending?
COLAD's been here for many, many years. The UV products is something new to us. I mean, COLAD is really the paint suits, something that they developed. They were like the king of paint suits. And then we really have a lot of other products that we've branched out to. We want to make what you're doing easier for you, so we try to save you time, money, or save you product.
Absolutely. Fantastic. I love it. So you said something about the UV light over here. Can you show us this baby in action?
We don't want to light up everyone's eyes. When we do the UV, we're going to put our glasses on and all that.
Absolutely. Health and safety. He's on me here.
Absolutely. But we do some demos here. We have a little black box to hide it and all that. So it's all been fun.
Awesome. I love it so much. So tell me, what challenges in the industry are you addressing right now at COLAD? I know you mentioned kind of the translucent putty. I know you mentioned the translucent putty, you're working on that, but what other things are you addressing in the collision repair industry and the auto body world?
So I think one of the things that's important to me growing up in an auto body shop is, again, saving people's time. You know, how do we make the job easier for the technician and give them a quality product? So everything that we're trying to sell, we try to look at something that saves time for the technician, and also, you know, saves product, and hopefully gets the technician out of the shop a little earlier so they can participate in the community, maybe go to their kid's soccer game or baseball game.
Awesome, love that, a little work-life balance, awesome. We won't take up too much more of your time here, Carl. Thank you so much for showing all of this to us. We'll do some scans of the booth over here, but I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day, and thanks so much for chatting with us.
Thank you very much.